Hello friends, good morning to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the trees concept. First of all, we have to know what is meant by tree. A tree data structure stimulates a hierarchical tree structure with a root value and subtrees of children with a parent node represented as a set of linked list. Tree is nothing but for to making a tree we have to need a root value, and for that root value there is a subtrees like B, C, E, D, F, G, H. Means for making a tree we must have that root value, and these are the children supports of the parent node, what we call as well. For next, root node. In a tree data structure, the first node is known as the root node, because for growing the tree we have to need a root. That node is called the first node A. It doesn't have a parent. Node. Whereas D and C have a parent node called A. Every tree must have a root node. Edge. In tree data structure, the connecting link between any two nodes is called an edge. Every edge defines a parent-child relationship between the nodes. Here in the following diagram, there is a link between the nodes A and B, A, C, B, D, E, F, all this have a linkage. That linkage is called as edge. Next topic, parent node. In tree data structure, the node which is a predecessor of any node means B. A is the predecessor of B. Then A is the parent node for B. A is the predecessor of B. Then A is the parent node of B and C. Like that, A is called as a parent node. A node which has at least one children is called as parent node. Means a single node, any node that consists a sub nodes, that node is called as parent node. Here A is the parent node for B and C, and B is the parent node for D, E, F, and C is the parent node for G, H. But D, E, F, G, H are not the parent nodes because it doesn't consist any children. Child node. In tree data structure, a node which is the descent of any node. Here parent node means precedence, means before the another node is called precedence, and the descendant means after the node. Here B, C are the children for A, because B and C are descendant of A node, so they are called as children for A, and D, E, F are the children for B, and G, H are the children for C. Leaf node. In tree data structure, a node with no children is called leaf node. It is also known as external nodes or terminal nodes. Leaf node is nothing but that it doesn't consist any children. It's called a leaf node. Here A has the two children because it is that's why it is not a leaf node, and B has the children. It is also not it is not a leaf node. C also not leaf node. D has also children. It is not a leaf node. And here I, J, E, F and K, H are the leaf nodes. Okay, because they don't have the children. That's why these I, J, E, F, K, H are called the leaf nodes. Next, going to internal node. In a tree data structure, a node that has at least one child is called an internal node. Internal node also called as non-terminal node. At least a node at least one child, at least means one or more than one. Here E, H doesn't have any children, So these are not considered as internal nodes. So remaining all considered as internal nodes because they have at least one child or one or more than childs. Now going to degree nodes. In a tree data structure, the degree of node is defined as the total number of children of that node. But for suppose A has two children, but then degree of the A node is the number of children constituted with that node. Means here A is having the degree 2 and B is having the degree 2 and C is having the degree 3. You suppose the highest degree of a node among all the nodes in a tree is called as degree of a tree. This is a tree. That particular node consists a highest degree, means that consists number of children, a maximum number of children. That node is considered as degree of tree. In this tree, A has only two children and B has only two children. Okay, but whereas C has three children. So among A, B, C have the highest degree because it consists of three children. This is the tree concept. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.